kind of different. We don't have a lot of time today, I want to make sure we. So, yeah, we're on a short day, we gotta get started right away. So, I'd like you to write these 6 problems down, please. And then I'll explain directions here in a minute. Okay, papers in the back, if you don't have any, make sure you get them written down, because I'm gonna require it. Put your name on the paper. This is something you will turn in today.
Because Word won't tell us what we are.
Alright, you wanna write these down for me, because I have to go use the restroom quick.
Give me your pencil.
Don't you have a pencil?
We'll use the restroom quick.
Yeah.
There's a desk missing right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
29 does count. 30. I wish I had 30. An even, clean number.
Okay. 12. Okay, I'm gonna put up for a minute. So, 13.
Eric, if you need a scoot pusher, you can. Or Connor, if you need a scoot pusher, you can see. I'm feeling obligated to sit here one spot. Sit wherever you like. So, let's get these written down, then I'll explain the directions here in a second.
10. Oh, that seems way close. Good.
That's me.
Yeah, that's you, I don't.
Probably just him. Hello, that was Mr. Ward. I will, he's using the restroom now, so he'll be over in a little bit. Alright, yep, goodbye.
Are we gonna have any homework?
If we complete these, then no. So,
He probably needs new water, that's why it's probably down towards the bottom.
alright, so write these 6 problems down. I'll probably move Sam just because I need everyone kind of equally spaced around the room. I'll move Sam over here.
Good.
Oh, is this like a test?
No, not quite. I just kind of want to see what you guys can remember.
I can't really remember much because I was gone for a few days.
Only one. I missed the Friday.
A day? I was only gone a day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry, I had to space you out, so you're sitting right here for right now. You can move back later, but. Alright, so they're already written down. Okay, so here's the instruction I'd like you to do. Now that you have these 6 problems written down, I would like you, for each one, to calculate its percent.
Or doesn't he need to go to the office?
Oh yes, you're called the office rule.
Oh yeah, that's right.
So what you're gonna do for each problem, you're gonna calculate its percent. So change it into percent. Here's your little hint. You need to get it to decimal first. Get it to decimal form,
Wait, what?
and then change it to a percent.
Okay.
So that's your hint. That's what we've been doing the last couple
I
days.
kind of forgot how to change them
So-
to percents again.
so let's-
I'll be right back again.
Eric, you just want to sit there, you can.
Really?
I'll grab the calculator, you just do that.
Oh, true. That's what up number 1.
Okay, it's easier to see the board.
Yeah.
Alright, so calculate the percent. If need be, I'll do an example on the board here in a minute, but I'll at least give you a chance if you can show me that you remember what we did, Monday? Let's see if you can remember that. Okay, so calculate the percent for
I
each
have no idea how to do that.
Crap, I just put
I don't
myself
know
on
how
camera
to
for that
fraction
one.
into a
That was a
percent.
smart idea. Yeah, you're on it too.
No, I'm not.
Hey, huh?
Nope.
Well, when I walked through that area, I can't remember anything, I think so. I'm getting used to it anyways. Decimal form, then percent.
Yeah, I don't know how to turn a fraction into a percent.
You have to use your calculator if that's a hint.
Oh,
I don't know
I
what to do
know
with a
that.
calculator.
use your calculator to get to decimal.
What?
Yeah, I still don't
Use your
know.
calculator to get to decimal form.
I have it in decimal form, but
And
percent
change
form
to
is hard.
percent.
Oh! Can I give him one clue?
Nope.
Okay.
I'll do an example here now and see if that can jog your memory. Give you a minute or two.
No.
You shocked my memory. Does that count? No, you fried my memory. God dang. Oh.
Yeah. Someone finally remembered.
Sheesh.
Okay, I'll give you a hint. Here's your hint. No, it's been a minute. Here's your hint. Let's say my fraction is 3/4. Okay, that's my fraction. Here's what you do. Take 3, divide by 4, that'll get you to decimal. It'll get to decimal form. Once you have that, then you're gonna need to move the decimal.
Whoops. Twice
Move
to
the
the
decimal
left.
2 spots. 2 spots,
To the left.
and I'll let you figure out which direction to move it.
I think I already figured that one.
Because the numbers have to make sense. So there's your clue. So use the clue on the board to help you out. I want to see what you can have.
I think I ended up getting it.
Okay, I'll let you have a little bit of time here. Use the clue on the board. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think it's about as clear as you can get if you're looking at my example on the board.
Oh, shoot.
Use my clue on the board to help you out if you can't remember. I have it
Done.
over on the side of the board there. Okay, hold on to it.
Okay.
Then we'll get to our second half where we're gonna do that.
Are we
This is
doing
not
it?
homework. No, we're not, because Connor's here now, so we can't really finish it.
I know who's gonna go back up though.
Yeah, we all know it's gonna be me.
But you're gonna do something right again.
I do not believe pasta.
And it always has to be moved twice.
Always twice. I'm not gonna tell you which direction, you have to figure that out.
Well, yeah, I know that.
Okay, I'm confused.
Did you use my clue on the board? Way over there? Just basically wrote down what you need to do. Oh.
That's what. That's good, right? That was the clue, Sam.
But
That's twice. That's 2.
I got to get this head now.
Oh, shoot.
Wait, Connor, do you still listen to your like nightcore and stuff, or now are you over that? Does it matter?
Sam. Sam,
What?
get to work, Allison.
One more time, remember, you're trying to calculate percents. Use the clue on the board to help you out. You should at least have all 6 numbers written down, and if you can't follow that instruction, you're not even trying.
Oh no, I'm trying. I'm just trying to figure them all out by one.
You forget to write down one.
Which one?
There's 1 5. There's 2 8. I don't know.
Oh,
I
This one.
think I know what one he looked at too. What do you remember? 2
Ward, I'm ready.
That was quick.
Keep going. First one. Keep moving on the second.
Ward.
Give him a minute, jeez, Eric. Don't rush the teacher. Not a good thing to do.
Not saying it right wrong.
Oh, say it later.
Hope the, I am right.
Super fine tipped Sharpies.
Good. That was nice. Okay, here's what I like to do. You're going to score your own paper. That's why you don't have a pencil, you have a little Sharpie in front of you. So put your score out of 6. Out of 6. There's 6 problems on the board, you need to put it out of 6. So on the top of your paper, you're putting it out of 6. Everyone should have a red. Now, if your red doesn't work, let me know, I'll give you a new one. One of these doesn't work, and I'm worried that I gave you one that doesn't work. Okay. We're gonna go through the answers real quick. So score it out of 6 on the top of your paper. Hopefully your name is on the top. If it's not, put your name up there somewhere in Sharpie. Okay, here we go. First one. You actually divide. What numbers do you have to actually divide in order?
12 divided by 20.
Yeah, 12 divided by 20 on your calculator. This is the decimal. This is the decimal that appears on the screen. If I move the decimal 2 spots,
60.
it's 60%. 60%.
I kind of
Okay.
forgot
So-
the 0.
If you forgot a number, you gotta count it wrong.
Come on.
Okay? Because if I was scoring this on a homework, that would be wrong. That's out of
Or-
60, not 6.
Or,
Next one.
or, I have something for you to look at. Come here. That one was right there.
Now, that's good. Alright, hey, let's keep going. Okay, 6/13. When you divide, you take 6 divided by 13. On your calculator, you should have had this number.
You.
All across the screen, there's a bunch of numbers going across.
Uh-oh.
You move the decimal over 2 spots. I wanted 46%. That's what I wanted. I know there's extra decimals, but I was looking for 46%. Okay? Hopefully that made sense. Next one, you're taking 1 divided by 5. 1 divided by 5. On your screen, it should have had 0.2. If you move the decimal over 2 spots, you get 20%.
Yes.
Because the decimal was in the back, you had to move it over 2. So mark it wrong if it's wrong, mark it right if it's right. Next one, 2 divided by 8. 2 divided by 8 is 0.25.
Wait, what was the last question? Yes, it was.
0.25 on this one, so you move it over 2 spots,
25.
and you get 25%.
Yes.
Next, 9 divided by 10. On your calculator, you should get 0.9. And if you move the decimal over 2 spots, you get 90%.
Yeah.
And the last one,
So you're told.
11 divided by 15.
Shut up.
You get 0.73333333 repeating across the board. If you move it over 2 spots, you get 73%.
Yes.
Okay, mark it out of 6 and then wait.
Like how many we missed or how many we got right?
How many you got right out of 6? So, you know, if I was grading my own paper because obviously I did these right. So I'm going to mark 6 out of 6. I got a perfect.
All right.
Perfect. 6 out of 6. Okay, if you got 5, you get 5. You get 2, you get 2.
Keep writing the same thing.
All right.
Can we have our pencil back?
What?
No.
No. Okay. All right. everyone have their scores.
Alright, alright.
Alright, I'm gonna move the camera and then I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do.
People are actually paying attention now.
That's a good way of doing
I
that.
do it all the time.
Hey,
Alright, hey, here we go. Okay, you get 6 slips of paper. Now, did you get all 6 out of 6?
yes.
Okay, what do you get?
5 out of 6.
Okay.
So I get 5.
You get 5.
Hey, I thought you were.
Okay.
I thought you
Count, make sure you have 6, count, make sure you have 5. Okay, all 6. Okay, count, make sure you have 6 slips of paper.
Oh, no.
Okay, count, you gotta make sure you have the 6 piece of
I'm
paper.
pretty sure I didn't say 3. Oh.
Okay,
5.
you got 6?
Yep.
Connor, you got 6?
I got 5 because I missed one. Dang it.
Which one did you miss?
The first one, because I forgot to put the 0.
68%.
Yeah, I forgot to put the 0. I put 6 in it instead.
Sam, your hand's bigger than your face.
Just
Put
wait.
it up to it.
We're good, we got all 6?
Yeah, and then all of a sudden. I know that trick. Should I be?
Okay, I'll explain what we're gonna do here. Alright, so. 1, 2.
These pieces of paper are really thick.
Yeah. Okay, there's a reason for that. So if you get 6 out of 6, you have six slips of paper. You got, less than that, fine. What I like you to do, take it, and you're gonna crumble it into a ball.
Oh
Now, not too tight, just make it a small ball. Yay big. Okay, make that many target or projectiles on your desk. So if I got 6, I'm gonna make 6 projectiles. So I got 6 pieces of paper.
Thought we were supposed to do it all at once.
no. I like this game.
You're gonna like it even more here in a minute. All right.
Oh, because we have to throw it at the target.
All right.
I like that.
So now, hold on. So we're gonna line up and we're gonna. All right. Now you will need your piece of paper in front of you. I have 5. Now I have 6. Okay. I had 1 extra piece of paper.
These are
All
not
right.
gonna
You
get
have
me.
6. Okay. I'm gonna explain what we're gonna do. Once everyone has their targets ready and you have your paper. Okay, Sam, you are going to stand right here.
Stand
Your
where?
paper has to be here with your marker on it, and so your paper has to be here. Okay, perfect. Okay, Eric, when you're ready, you are going to stand right here.
Oh, jeez. Like what?
Right here. You have to have your piece of paper, your marker, and all your projectiles.
Okay.
Okay, move.
I'm not ready yet.
When you have all your projectiles, all 6 of them, stand here with your paper and that Sharpie. Stand right here. You're facing towards your target.
Hey,
Okay. What? Got it?
or I'm not ready yet.
Okay, that's fine.
We get to catapult them.
Oh,
I have actual sandbag catapults at my house.
that's sweet. Hey, let's go quick because we don't have a lot of time here. We got about 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna see how we do. Okay. All right, and we're gonna continue this when we get back so we get some practice. All right, so stand in front of your target at your correct desk. All right, here's what you're gonna do. You are going to, so you're gonna stand right here in front of your desk. So Eric, you're gonna be right here. Okay, you are going to take your projectile and you're gonna toss it towards your target, and you're trying to land in the actual target itself. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, when you get done, like I just mentioned, you're gonna mark how many you got in the actual target. The target is the actual target itself. It has to be in there. So mark out of 6, or out of 5 in your case, how many you actually get on the actual target. Okay,
Hey, Warren. Warren. Oh, never mind. I got
I
it.
missed all of them.
Oh, so mark your score on your paper. Out of 6. Okay, say you're marking out of 5. Okay, alright, back up. You have to go to the desk behind you now.
I don't have any.
No, grab your targets.
Oh.
Oh no, we keep moving back.
You keep moving back.
Oh no.
Oh, head.
So-
Headache.
That's not gonna be well.
So yep, so move back to the second desk.
No. Oh, just missed. And you bounced it. 0. I'm just gonna put 0 for that one. Wait, do I move back even though I got 0?
Yep.
Oh gee.
You gotta go pick them up.
This. I so suck at this.
Hey,
Keep going. You gotta go now to the next desk. Try to mark your scores as you go.
Oh no.
Got 0 out of 6 again.
3, no, 2.
Never put me on the
Oh,
basketball
second
team.
strategy was your best.
Let me
The
tell you
hard
this,
part
never
is
put me on the
getting it to
basketball
fall
team.
on the actual target.
Yeah. So 0 and
Okay, then move back to your final desk. One of these is mine. That one's mine.
how do you know which is yours?
I don't know, I just picked one.
Hey, Tanner.
Hey Eric, do you have one missing? Because there's one over here.
Completely? Oh, yeah. That might be mine.
Hey Eric, I'm by your stuff.
Hey,
Oh Jesus.
doing so. Oh,
Get out of there, you don't want to influence.
Got 0 again.
Made it on that desk, does it count?
Nope.
That's not what I meant to do.
dang it.
Okay, 0 3 times and then 3 out of 5 the first one.
Okay, I don't get this. Why is there one gray tile out of all these?
Tiles get replaced.
This is weird. Okay, I did all 4.
Okay, got all 4. Alright. So, once you have your scores, you need to calculate what your percents are for your scores.
1.
Calculate your percents. It could be easy, maybe you didn't make any, so you know what your percent is.
I'm 2 behind
Okay,
you all.
once you have it, you need to turn that piece of paper in. Your name should be on it. I'll give you your pencils back.
Hey, just so you know, I only got 3 fifths out of this whole entire throwing game, so. Do I just still calculate that one?
That was where you're supposed to.
Oh, that was close.
Sam, challenge shot. From
That was bad
where
luck,
is it?
complete.
Hey, hurry up. You only have a few minutes left.
Alright.
So once you have it, you've calculated your percents, you're gonna turn it in.
You mean
There you
seconds,
go.
not